I've been all over Europe. I've never found heaven. And now we have found heaven on earth.
Hidden beside the quiet countryside of Carandagola, along the scenic Eliwelavaya Road, lies a beautiful natural treasure known by locals as the Secret Waterfall. Just about 50 meters from the main road, this stunning cascade surprises visitors with its peaceful beauty. Surrounded by lush greenery and the calming sound of flowing water, it has quickly become a popular attraction for tourists and nature lovers traveling through the area. Today, we invite you to discover the charm and serenity of the Secret Waterfall of Carandagola. Let's explore this hidden paradise together. This is the scenic Eliwelavaya Road, passing through the beautiful countryside near Carandagola. Along this peaceful road, surrounded by lush green hills and natural streams, lies a hidden treasure that many travelers often pass without even noticing. A beautiful secret waterfall quietly flowing just a short distance from the roadside. Today, Amanda joins us on this journey as we explore this beautiful hidden gem together. This is the narrow path we need to follow to reach this beautiful cascade. As we make our way down, please be careful, some parts of the trail can be a little slippery. Walk slowly and enjoy the peaceful surroundings as we continue our journey toward the hidden waterfall. Now, you can see this stunning paddy field stretching across the landscape. The method used here to cultivate the rice is called the Halmeli method, an age-old traditional technique. Notice the freshly planted rice shoots, glowing in a vibrant green, adding a peaceful charm to the scenery as they sway gently in the breeze. After a short journey along the trail, we are finally drawing closer to the waterfall. The sound of rushing water grows louder, and the mist in the air hints at the beauty that awaits us just ahead. Here it is, the secret waterfall. Unlike many other waterfalls, this place is perfect for a refreshing bath. The area is safe, with no dangerous hazards around, making it an ideal spot for visitors. It's no wonder that many tourists love to come here to enjoy the cool, clear water and the peaceful surroundings.
So, we come from Austria. It's between Switzerland and Germany. My name is Hannes, Jörg, and my son Theo. We are here since 8 days. 9. Now we are visiting Waterfall, and yeah, very nice.
A great experience here in Sri Lanka. Yeah.
It's a great country. Okay.
Here we have another route that leads to this beautiful cascade.
So good afternoon to Sri Lanka. I've been all over the world. I've been to Patagonia, I've been to Africa, I've been all over Europe. I've never found heaven. And now we have found heaven on earth. Thank you so much for having us here in Sri Lanka. We are so happy.
Sorry about him.
We are living a dream. Thank you.
Just below this spot, there's another beautiful waterfall waiting to be discovered. Let's make our way down and see what wonders await us there. If you enjoy swimming, this is truly the perfect spot. The clear, calm waters make it ideal for a refreshing dip, surrounded by the natural beauty of the waterfall and lush greenery. Locals and tourists from any countries come here to refresh themselves in the cool waters of this stunning natural cascade. It's a place where people from all over can enjoy the peaceful beauty and rejuvenating power of nature. This 100% natural pool is truly fascinating and has become one of the favorite spots among tourists. Its crystal clear waters and serene surroundings make it a must visit for anyone exploring this hidden paradise. Look at how many tourists are enjoying themselves here, showing off their swimming skills in this natural pool. The scene is truly beautiful, a perfect blend of fun, relaxation, and nature's charm. And that's a glimpse of the secret waterfall of Karandagolia, hidden paradise where nature, fun, and serenity meet. This is paradise in my eyes. We'll see you on our next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.